This video is a video response to a question asked by one of our online ground school members. She's new to helicopter flying. She simply asked, what is the checklist, where does it come from, and how do you use it? And very simple answer is the aircraft checklist comes from the manufacturer. It covers all stages of flight. It's your pre-flight, startup checklist, takeoff checklist, cruise flight, landing, and after landing, shutdown and securing. So it's a method of systematically making sure that you do all the things that you need to do to safely operate the aircraft. So we have a short video to follow up here with just an example of the checklist we used in the Enstrom F28F.
Just pedals.
I believe so.
Seatbelts and doors latch. Seatbelts on, no door. Flight controls, travel and center.
Well, look back a little bit to me. What do you think?
I think once power's on, we might adjust it a little bit. And I collected and throttle. Throttle off.
Yep.
Collected down and locked.
Yep.
Fuel valve on. Heater in. Rotor clutch disengaged. V's touching the floor. Mixture auto cutoff. Magnetic compass reading. Looks good. Altimeter at field elevation. It's reading a little bit high. Radio's off. Yep. All switches, circuit breakers.
Except for the anti-collision.
Okay. Collective down and locked.
Yes, sir.
Master switch on. Alternator switch on. Starter switch on. Trim motor circuit breaker in.
Yes.
Throttle full open.
Full open.
Mixture full rich. Boost pump on 5 to 8 seconds. Boost pump off. Mixture auto cutoff. Throttle closed and open to start position. Ignition switch on to both. I'm going to reset our timer and see if we can get it started. Okay. Clear on the right, clear on the left.
Clear on the left.
Engage started.